Meet TNA SmartTouch Home Security Control Panel, designed to provide reliable, intuitive, and connected security for residential and light commercial environments. Before getting started, connect the control panel to a power source and turn on the backup battery switch located on the rear of the device. To enable remote control and monitoring, connect the control panel to the Smart Life mobile app. Open the Smart Life app on your smartphone, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and select Add Device. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Next to complete the connection. Away arming. The alarm host is in the monitoring state. When the accessory is triggered, the alarm host will sound an alarm. Home arming. When the user is at home, certain areas can be monitored and alarmed in this mode. Disarming. The alarm host cancels the monitoring status, and the alarm is only triggered by the SOS button or by an accessory that has been set to 24 hours active. SOS. In case of emergency, click the SOS button. The system will instantly send alarm notifications and contact the preset emergency contacts, ensuring rapid response when it matters most. The panel system supports a wide range of wireless devices, including smoke detectors, CO detectors, door contacts, infrared motion sensors, remote controllers, and RFID cards. To add a device, enter the main menu on the alarm control panel, select Sensors, tap the plus icon, and confirm to enter pairing mode. Then, trigger the corresponding front-end device. With stable wireless communication, flexible expansion, and intuitive local and remote operation, the SmartTouch Home Security Control Panel delivers reliable, professional-grade protection for everyday security management.